Need to return an item to Amazon quickly? Here's how to do it. First, open the Amazon app or go to Amazon.com and sign in. Tap the menu icon and select your orders. Scroll to find the item you want to send back, then tap Return or Replace Items. Pick a return reason like changed my mind or defective item, and confirm whether it's still in its original packaging. Next, choose how you'd like your refund. Back to your original payment method or as Amazon gift card credit. Tap Continue and review the drop-off options. You might see the UPS Store, Kohl's, or Amazon/Whole Foods. Check any packaging instructions. Some returns require no box or label, others need a printed label. After you confirm, Amazon will send you a QR code by email or save it in the app. Print it or keep it on your phone, then bring your item and code to the selected drop-off location. The associate will scan your code and that's it. You'll get a confirmation email when your refund is processed. If this helped, tap like, share your return tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Amazon hacks.